Here at One Stop Mobile Electronics, we offer a wide range of services from window tinting and paint protection to car audio with navigation and Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay to remote starts and alarms and rims and tires as well. Most places will make you want to drop the car off for the day, so therefore you got to find a ride there and find a ride back after work. With One Stop, there's none of that. We come to you, you give us the keys to your vehicle, and we're getting started right at your job, not having to lose a day's pay, not having to wake up 2 hours early to find a ride. That's why we come to you. We try to make it as painless as possible. We've been doing this for the past 20 plus years in the industry. We're a family-owned business. It's me and my brother every day working on your vehicle. So when something is not working, I'm the guy that you have to face. There's nobody else coming there, and I want to make sure everything is working perfectly for you.
When I call One Stop Mobile, they came to me at my place of business. I'm running around, I'm an entrepreneur, so I'm always everywhere. And they came right to me. They got to work immediately. It was painless. A few things One Stop Mobile has done for me is tinted windows, a light bar, HID headlights, remote starter, dash cam front and back, reverse camera, and a roof rack. They were really professional, had a really fair price, and their communication was just what I was looking for.
This is my passion. I chose to do this because this is what I love. I love cars. The satisfaction of seeing somebody's face when I do something for them, that's what drives me. When doing these installs, we want to show you as the customer how every detail works in the installation. We make sure that every customer is comfortable before they leave. We want you to use it. It's something you're going to use every day. Whether you're looking for a remote start, window tint, or car accessories, call now for your free customized quote.